Hey you guys, I'm Crystal Sherrill from Indie Artist School, and I wanted to quickly give you 3 quick tips to help make your mixed belt a little bit better, okay? You ready? Let's go. Number 1, make sure that your breath and your inhale is the most optimal. Here's how you do this. When you take a deep breath in, there are 2 extremes. If you go like that, then you're going to be slowing down the speed at which you could breathe in air. A lot of people even try to take that breath from the nose, but when you are getting a good belt, you need as much air as possible. So what I recommend is to find a happy medium between, which is a shallow breath from the chest, and or which is super slow and has a lot of drag. So what you're going to do is shape your mouth in an O and breathe in. Did you notice how my chest and shoulders didn't move? Let's try it again. All right, you got number 1 down if you can do that. Number 2 is support. You want to make sure that you're projecting from the diaphragm. So when you hold that note, that big belted note, make sure that your chest and shoulders are not going down like this, like that, when you're supporting the note, and instead your stomach is going out. Ha, ha. See how my stomach's going out? Let's try that again. Ha, and you can use whatever pitch you like. Ha, ha. Let's go. Ha. Make sure it's not ha. You hear how that sounded really shallow? Let's try another one. Ha. Down and out with power. And don't let go of that push out until you are done with your note. And last but not least is number 3, which is vocal placement. This is so that you can have the best shape you can so that you could belt a note that's a little bit high without feeling all of the tension and strain of reaching that note. It's the difference between trying to sing a mixed voice pitch in chest voice vocal placement. Here's what I mean. Let's say you have a high pitch like this. Like that, right? Now, if I were to sing that high and without any nasal resonance like I just did, it might end up sounding like this. Ha! You see how my tongue is really far down and my larynx is dropped? And one other thing you may have noticed, there was a whole lot of tension, and I don't know about you, but it's really hard to get good volume and presence when I have that shape. So one of the best ways to do it is to lift the back of your tongue and smile. And that's it. Now you know all 3 of the things that really make for a more comfortable and powerful mixed belt. Which one of these were your favorite tips? Was it about the breathing, the support, or the vocal placement? I can't wait to hear about your breakthroughs. Happy singing.